Okay, and welcome to X. Today we're actually going to be unboxing an ASRock motherboard that's coming back to us from an RMA. We do notice the box has some damage here, so some improper flex. So let's get this out of the box here and see what they sent us. Okay, so here's the board in this box. So this is what they've in fact sent us. Okay, so here we have a brand new X299 Taichi CLX. So you're probably going to see this in one of our future videos, and it is brand new. I'll just leave that on there for another peel later. So here's the board. This is X299, so it takes the X series CPUs. It's got 4 full 16 times PCI Express slots. It's got 10 SATA ports, USB 3, USB-C. It does take 2 8-pin for power for the CPU. In the rear I/O, we've got our Wi-Fi, USB 2, 4 USB 3. We got 10G and regular Ethernet, USB-C down here, and our audio. We have a clear CMOS button up here as well. So this is the X299 Taichi CLX. It's a $750 Canadian motherboard. So if you want to see more products like this unboxed and used in our videos, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.